everyone and welcome back to Embroidery Stories by Amisha Kohli, and happy Holi to everyone who is watching out this video. And this cake is very special for me because this cake is from my real sister Ashmadi, and I really want to wish her happy birthday throughout this video. Today I'm going to make a very beautiful cake, very trending cake, long sheet cake in the rectangle version, and the most beautiful flavor cold coffee cake. Obviously, this cake is not going. Papa, Mama, and Chachu not going to have this cake because they be like, कड़वा कौन डालता है केक के अंदर केक मीठे होते हैं बट दे डोंट नो कॉफी एंड चॉकलेट आर द बेस्ट फ्लेवर्स इन दिस होल वर्ल्ड एंड लेट्स मेक द मोस्ट यम्मिएस्ट एंड द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल केक फॉर
हाँ,